Today I'm going to unbox the new Des Aesthetic Arch and Olive subscription box for this quarter. Check it out. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to unbox this beautiful Des Aesthetic subscription box. I'm a new Arch and Olive subscriber to their quarterly subscription box, and I'm also a new Arch and Olive fan. I've known about the brand for a while, but after seeing Bonnie, the CEO and founder of Arch and Olive, speak at Go Wild, I've just got a newfound love for them, and I really wanted to push myself to be more creative in the general space and not just the planning space. So I feel like her stuff really conveys that. So let's unbox this box. And this theme, I saw her unboxing on YouTube, and the colors and the theme is just totally my vibe. So I wanted, if I was going to get one box, this was the one I wanted to get. I'm going to have to move this back so I don't hit the camera. Oh, I did hit the camera. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's start with the memo pad here. I undid the plastic off camera so it wouldn't be super loud. I love this sort of green color. And this is so beautiful with a little push pin design. And the cover is like it's not flat. It's almost like a linen cover, I want to say. And it's flexible. And this reminds me of like the notepads like by me that I had as a kid, except the other side is grid. So that's cool. I'm going to really use this. And what a great thing to do for like sort of, memory planning or scrapbooking. You can rip these apart and like do little designs. I really love this. This is really cute memo pad. Let me put this on the side. Okay, let's put this over here. These are the new Arch and Olive dual tip pens, chisel and fine liner. And these are the colors here. This is sort of one of the reasons why I got this box, is just because I wanted these pens too. I'm always like want to find like the best sort of muted tones. And this is it. Oh. And it comes with the actual sticker you can put on each pen. They're rolling off my desk here. Oh my God, these are so beautiful. And it's 0.4 millimeters. So this end is the chisel. Open it up. This end is the chisel. And this end is the fine point. And it's like a plastic nib, so it's not gonna it's not gonna fall apart as much as the other kind. And I'll do a little swatch sample in a bit later. These on the side. Let's open up the stickers. 2 sheets matte finish. This is so pretty. Like you could cut this out and paste it on as a border too for the pages. Let's see. I don't want to rip this so much. I hate ripping things. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. This comes with, oh, there's more stickers in here. This is great for like a habit tracker for the whole year. Yeah, January to December. Wow, and there's 2 of them, smaller kind of weekly habit trackers. And I love these mood tracker, 2 mood trackers. And I love these little muted boxes here in the clipboard. These are very functional, really pretty there. Let's open up the journal case. I'm not a person that uses a lot of folios or covers, but I really wanted this one too. And I just thought it was so pretty. It looks like a book. And it's vegan leather, but it really feels like leather, honestly. And there's lots of room with this stretchy like zipper area. And on the bottom here it says Arch and Olive. Let's open it up. Oh, it's so pretty. It's really nice. You can fit your notebook in here, some pens, and you can put some washi here or something. I guess something else too, but I'm assuming it's for washi. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Okay, we'll have to try this out. I'm also curious. I wonder if this was supposed to be in. I think the last sub box was a book themed one, so I wonder if this was supposed to be in that one, because the florals and the color and the design doesn't really match what the other aesthetic is for like office supplies, desk things. But it's okay. I think this is nice. I can totally use this, so I love it. So this is a B5 planning stencil. I really wanted something like this because one of the things that's intimidating about doing, like, I don't know if I'm going to do full-on bullet journaling, but working with dock grid paper is that you can't. I hate counting all the dots, and I think this will be great because it has markers. Oh, here you can see this is the actual what the stencils are, all the shapes, and you can see how many dots per item it is. And then there's also, I think, notches here. Oh, this is how many 46 dots per line. So you can match this up with the dots on this side, and then this side is centimeters. So this measurement's really handy because this goes by how many dots. So you don't have to count them. You'll know here, that's like 14 dots down. So I thought that was handy. And then on each of these stencil marks, it just tells you it's 3 by 8 dots. So it's 1 by 15 dots. So you know how many dots you're going. I'm just going to put it this way. So this is easier to see this way. So yeah, I thought this is really handy and so smart to do it this way. This is 2 by 4, 12 by 3 dots. So you know exactly how many dots are in this thing. So I'm actually going to keep this paper with it so you can see the dots clearly, but to understand it better. But yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this in the B5. But it'll also work in A5. Anything with dock grid. Put this aside. Okay, so which one do we open first? Oh, let's look at the washi. Can't go wrong with washi. This is another one that's just so pretty. Like this one, this mauve color is so my jam. Love it. With the scissors and the pencil and the ruler. So pretty. This one, this sort of muted green, is a ruler washi with gold foil. And we have check boxes here. I'll roll them out later. And this one is an entire, like, if you want to do your schedule and time blocking, it has all the times on here. So put this aside. Okay, so these are the two journals. Let me move the box away. Take these out. Let's open up the A5 first. This way. Oh, this is what's pretty. This is going to be like this one's going to be like my mixed media journal. Like, I just want this to be like my fun journal to do whatever I want. And I just thought, I love that old style composition book. And these colors, just so pretty. The sage green. I think that's like sage green, right? Anyway, it's just so beautiful. Just look at the little paper clip in gold foil. So beautiful. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I think the stencils, you want to work on here? Yeah. Do they match up? They do match up. So yeah, it's just, obviously it's shorter. It doesn't go all the way to B5. So yeah, this will be really, really wonderful to have. I love the size. Okay, so but you can, I'll leave the info below on how to subscribe, because you can actually just subscribe and you can cancel later. But I don't know. I have a feeling I may like the subscription. So I'll see how it goes. But there is still subscriptions. New subscribers can actually sign up right now. This is really pretty, like binder paper cover. Oh, and there's a note behind each box. To the new owner of this notebook. Oh my God, this is so sweet. Really, really well done. Really well done packaging. Okay. Oh, and this green color. My goodness, this is so pretty. I love this. This is like a vegan leather kind of cover with the pencil, scissor, and paperclip design. And this is, oh, I love this sort of like ombre effect on the side. Yeah, this is really, wow. I actually never really saw a B5 before. I'm using a B6, which is smaller, but this B5 size is really nice. Oh, and the bookmark come down. Oh, I do like this B5 size. It lays flat really nicely. Let's compare it with the A5. I feel like the A5 has more paper in it. I don't know. I'll have to look at the sheet size, but this B5 really lays flat. I don't know. Maybe this will be my mixed media journal. Well, I can make them both my journals. Really beautiful. Put this on. Look at like the color tones just work so well. And then you can try and put this in here and see if that works. Oh yeah, it's very pretty. Oh, I like that. Yeah, and then you can put the pens in here. It fits really well. Oh, it closes. So yeah, that's why there's like room to have the stretchy stuff. I wonder if the washi will fit in here and be able to close. Let's just try like 2. I've never used this kind of thing before, but oh, it does close. The washi in there, so it does work. Maybe you can't put like the whole roll, like a bunch of rolls up, but 2 or 3 probably could work. Okay, and those are the colors here. Really beautiful. I can see me using these colors all the time. They write really well too. I think the plastic tip, I had no problems writing with it too. And I didn't have all that feathering you get with like little felt tips. Just to show you what the washi looks like on paper, here you go. This is all the times on this one. It goes from 6 to 11. And then it could be midnight for the time one down here. And then this is really pretty with the stationery theme here, the ruler, and then the checkbox colors actually match the dual tip markers. So it looks really nice. Everything is very cohesive. It's really beautiful. Hope you have time. You can check out the sub box, and hopefully I can start making some stuff and share it with you on this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.